Welcome to the West Arsi Zone, nestled in the heart of the Oromia region of Ethiopia. Here, amidst a tapestry of verdant landscapes and dramatic volcanic formations, lies a land teeming with life. This is a place where time seems to move at a different pace, where age-old traditions intertwine with the rhythms of nature. The West Arsi Zone is a haven for ecotourism and conservation, a testament to the delicate balance between humanity and the natural world. From the tranquil shores of its crater lakes to the cascading waters of its waterfalls, this region offers a glimpse into the untouched beauty of Ethiopia. Join us as we embark on a journey of discovery, exploring the hidden gems that make West Arsi a truly unforgettable destination. Our first stop brings us to the shores of Lake Langano, a shimmering expanse of water that seems to stretch endlessly beneath the Ethiopian sky. But what truly sets this lake apart is its unique hue. Unlike the sapphire blue or emerald green we often associate with freshwater lakes, Langano boasts a captivating brown coloration, a result of the rich mineral deposits that lie beneath its surface. This distinctive characteristic does little to deter the lake's allure. In fact, Langano is a popular destination for both locals and tourists alike, drawn to its shores by the promise of adventure and tranquility. Unlike many of Ethiopia's lakes, Langano is free from the threat of bilharzia, making it a safe haven for swimming, boating and water sports. As you glide across the surface, the gentle breeze carrying the scent of acacia trees keep a watchful eye on the skies above. Langano is a haven for bird life, a symphony of colours and calls that fills the air. From the majestic fish eagles soaring overhead to the vibrant kingfishers darting amongst the reeds, the lake provides a vital habitat for a diverse array of avian species. Whether you choose to spend your time swimming in its refreshing waters, casting a line in hope of a catch, or simply relaxing on the shore, soaking in the serenity of your surroundings, Lake Langano is an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Our journey continues southward, where we encounter a pair of lakes that couldn't be more different, yet are inextricably linked. Lake Shala and Lake Abijata, nestled within the boundaries of the Abijata-Shala National Park. Lake Shala, shrouded in an aura of mystery, plunges to depths of over 800 feet. Its waters are deep inky blue, reflecting the sky like a giant mirror. Born of volcanic activity millennia ago, Shala's shores are fringed with hot springs, a constant reminder of the fiery forces that shaped this landscape. In stark contrast, Lake Abijata sprawls out before us, a shallow expanse of alkaline water that shimmers under the Ethiopian sun. What Abijata lacks in depth, it more than makes up for in its vibrant display of life. Vast flocks of flamingos, numbering in the tens of thousands, paint the lake's surface a vibrant pink, a truly breathtaking spectacle that has captivated observers for centuries. The contrasting nature of these two lakes, their destinies intertwined, highlights the delicate balance of ecosystems. Shala, with its depths harboring unknown secrets, and Abijata, a haven for avian life, remind us of the interconnectedness of the natural world and the importance of preserving these fragile habitats. As we leave the shores of Shala and Abijata, we carry with us a profound respect for the power and fragility of nature, a reminder that even in the harshest of environments, life finds a way to thrive. Leaving the tranquil stillness of the lakes behind, we venture into the heart of the West Arsi Highlands, where a different kind of natural wonder awaits, the majestic Lefis waterfall. As we approach, a low rumble grows into a deafening roar, announcing the waterfall's presence long before it comes into view. And then, there it is, cascading down a sheer cliff face in a torrent of white water, a display of raw power that takes your breath away. The air is thick with moisture, a refreshing spray that kisses your skin as you draw closer. Lush vegetation clings to the cliffs surrounding the waterfall, a vibrant tapestry of greens, fed by the constant mist that hangs in the air. The roar of the water as it crashes into the pool below is almost hypnotic, a symphony of nature that drowns out all other sounds. Birds flit through the foliage, their calls a counterpoint to the water's music. The air is alive with the hum of insects, drawn to the moisture and the promise of life that the waterfall provides. Lefis Waterfall is more than just a visual spectacle. It is an immersive sensory experience. It is a place to feel the power of nature, to be humbled by its beauty, and to reconnect with the rhythm of the earth. Our journey takes us from the dramatic heights of Lefis Waterfall to the serene landscape. Here you can witness firsthand the warmth and hospitality of the Oromo people experience their vibrant culture through music, dance, and storytelling. As you sit around a crackling fire, sipping on strong, sweet coffee, listening to the tales of old, you'll find yourself transported back in time, immersed in a world where life is simple yet deeply meaningful. Our final destination takes us deep into the heart of the West Arsi zone, to a place where nature reigns supreme, Sinkele National Park. This protected area, a haven for biodiversity, offers a glimpse into the wild heart of Ethiopia. As you venture into the park's dense forests and grasslands, the air comes alive with the sounds of nature. Birdsong fills the air, a cacophony of trills and chirps. Monkeys chatter from the treetops, their calls echoing through the undergrowth. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of some of the park's more elusive residents, the shy bushbuck, the majestic mountain nyala, or perhaps even a fleeting glimpse of the elusive Ethiopian wolf. Sinkele National Park is a testament to the importance of conservation. Here, within the park's boundaries, wildlife can thrive, protected from the threats of habitat loss and poaching that plague so many other areas. As you stand on the edge of a clearing, watching a herd of gazelles graze peacefully, you can't help but feel a sense of hope. Hope that these animals and the wild places they call home will continue to thrive for generations to come. As our journey through the West Arsi zone comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and respect for this remarkable region. The stunning landscapes, the diverse wildlife, and the rich cultural heritage of West Arsi are all treasures that deserve our admiration and protection. Conservation is not just a duty, it is an investment in the future. By protecting the natural beauty and ecological significance of West Arsi, we are ensuring that future generations will have the opportunity to experience the same sense of awe and wonder that we have felt on this journey. This can only be achieved through a collaborative effort. Local communities, government agencies, NGOs and ecotourism operators must work together to create a sustainable future for West Arsi, one where both people and nature can thrive in harmony.